So welcome to the second collaboration lecture in this course, Master in Artificial Intelligence. And in this lecture also, we will continue to talk about how to collaborate with your cross-functional team consisting of data scientists, engineers, software engineers, and domain experts. So one of the things that helps tremendously is to do the collaboration on codes and do the version control. So use version control systems like you have Git conversion control, and that can help you manage code collaboration. You can collaborate on the codes, track changes, and facilitate code review. So it's a great collaborative tool. Also, to do the code collaboration, establish coding standards, documentation practices, and best practices that can help you for your reproducibility and maintainability of the work that you are doing. Also, continuous integration and deployment is a good part of your collaboration. Implement continuous integration and deployment pipelines that can help you automate testing, building, and deployment process and help you collaborate better. And ensure seamless integration of AI components into existing software or infrastructure, right? Solicit feedback from domain experts as a part of your collaboration or from also from end users and stakeholders throughout the development process, not only beginning and end or in between sometime, regularly as much. And to do that, conduct user testing, validation, and usability studies to ensure that your AI solution meets user needs and expectation. And that is a part of working together with the team. Other remaining parts of collaboration are to facilitate knowledge sharing sessions and workshops to exchange insights, learnings, and best practices among the team members, and provide training and upskilling opportunity to empower team members with new skills and knowledge. Embrace a culture of continuous improvement and adaptation based on the feedback, insights, and lessons learned, and encourage innovation, experimentation, uh, and exploration of the new technologies or approaches to address the evolving challenges that you see. And that's all part of working together, right? So by fostering collaboration among data scientists, software engineers, and domain experts throughout the development cycle, as outlined, we have you can harness the collective expertise in creativity because it's a really a cross-functional job, and you can then build a comprehensive AI solution that delivers value and impact for the real life problems in the real life context. So having looked at how to collaborate, what do we do next? So we will now look at an example of how a team work together, the team consisting of data scientists, AI engineers, software engineers, and domain experts led by obviously the AI engineer, and how they work together and collaborated is the example that we will take you through in the next lecture. So thank you so much for watching this second collaboration lecture in this course, Master in Artificial Intelligence. I hope you are continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture and the example that we will cover for you. If you have any questions, do feel free to message me. I'll be happy to answer your questions, and also download the PDF file to take a look at anything that is of interest to you and you want to take a deeper look at that.